Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a fine example of a true 1968 Ford California Special Mustang. This one is a hardtop and it has a 289 V8 with a C4 3-speed automatic. It's painted in candy apple red on black interior. All right, let's start here at the rear of the vehicle. Now let's take a look underneath the trunk lid first. So nicely painted underneath, as you can see. We have the correct warning decals there. Inside the trunk, beautifully detailed trunk. You can see the trunk mat here is period correct. We have a Marti report on this car, so it is a true California Special. We do have all kinds of documentation here. So the previous owner bought this car restored, and then he took it to the next level and spent all kinds of time and money to make the car even more period correct. There's a bunch of receipts. We have more documentation here about the California Special as well as here. Okay, here we got some extra belts here. We got some extra touch-up paint. We have the fog light covers by Lucas, and I'm just going to lift this up a little bit here so we can see it's painted all underneath here. It is solid, I can guarantee that. We have your spare tire here with the cover. I'll lift this off here. You can see it's got the steel wheel with the factory jack below, and it is a Goodyear correct style tire for this car with the correct size. There's your tread pattern there. All right, we'll move this out of the way here and we'll close the trunk lid. There we go. And let's zoom out here. There's your hard top. Of course, it's black. You can see how tight it is. It looks great. No bubbling or nothing like that. Glass work around the car looks great as well. All the bright work looks fantastic. Here's your paint, looking wonderful. And then unique to the California Special is this tail spoiler here, and it's borrowed from the Shelby cars of the era. You can see the Mustang script there. You can see the black decal that goes around that spoiler. And we have the gas cap in the center here. Pop that open here. There we are. Really cool feature there with the Mustang. And we have the tail lights that were borrowed from the 65 Thunderbird on this car for the California Special Edition. Down below we have the reverse lights there. Now let's take a look underneath. It is highly detailed under here. Everything looks like brand new, and it looks just like it came from the factory. I'll get some more photos later. We have a bunch of photos on the website. You can check them out as well. Let's spin the car around. Also unique to the California Special, of course, is this California script on the rear fenders. We'll stop it right there. We'll check out the wheels. So we have the correct style Mustang wheel for the California Special. It's a chrome wheel. We got the GT hubcaps in there with the beauty rings, and they're wrapped in BF Goodrich tires with 205/70 R14s. All right, let's check out the front tire. So the front has power disc brakes. The rears are drum. And let's check out the interior. So there's your black door panel, and look how beautiful this door panel is. You can see the detail in it. Window cranks roll down nicely. You got the vents here that swing out, and really cool door handle open it. There's your armrest. I'll show you underneath the door. It's all solid. And I'll show you the dash on this side here. It looks like brand new, no cracks or tears. Here's your door jambs. They look great as well. Your Ford kick plate there looks like new. That'll looks great. Let's fold down this seat. I'll show you that rear seat now. And it looks like new as well. It's got seat belts. There's your package tray looking great. Here's your headliner, nice and tight, looks like brand new. It's got the light there that works. We got the shoulder lap belts up top. There's your visors. And look at the rear of the seats, nicely finished. We'll fold that back. And let's close the door now. All right, let's start back here now. And I'll show you the profile of that rear spoiler there. Let's walk down the car. Again, your hard top looks great. The vinyl glass looks great. We got this nice registry here, one of 4,025 California specials made in 1968. And there was about 317,000 Mustangs built, so rare car. Here's your VIN, so 8R01 is the first 4 digits of a California special, so it is a true California. There's your mirrors looking great. Your door handles look good as well. The side scoops with the GT California special, they are made of fiberglass, and we got that beautiful stripe on the side here, a Mustang script there, and your stripe continues on the front fender there. All right, here's your headlights. Signals down there, and of course it comes with the fog lights, the Lucas fog lights on the California Special Edition. The grille looks great. One little flaw down there, just a touch up there. Let's check out underneath the hood. Look how nicely painted that is. It does have the turn signals built in the hood as well, so you can see them from the driving compartment. And then here's your engine. So it's a 289 cubic inch, 2-valve V8, rated at 195 horsepower from the factory. It's paired to the C4 automatic transmission with 3-speed. All right, let's check out all the details here. So again, all the correct stickers are on this car. Very nicely done. It has the correct style rad that's been re-cored. We have factory air. This car was a factory air car, but it's been upgraded with a modern unit, so it throws even cooler air. We have power steering on this car, as well as power brakes. And we'll close the hood now and show you this beautiful hood here. So we got the factory hood pins, or style hood pins there. And then we have the race stripes on top there. They are painted satin. And their signals are built in there on both sides, as I was describing. And I want to show you underneath the car as well. So let's come back on this side here. And you can see how great it actually looks underneath there. I'll show you the front view. It looks like brand new from the factory. All right, check out the wheels on this side here, as well as this side here. And back to our door panels, the same as the other side. Let's roll the windows down. And I'll show you the doors on this side here. I got a plate there as well. Door jambs on this side. And I'll roll this window down. Again, a hard top, so you don't have a post here. And we'll stop there and check out the package tray. I'll lift this down. See that seat? So again, the seat belts are there. Air pedals down there. And I'll show you a few things here. So there's your temperature controls. We have the newer style factory air here. Down here we have a pedal there. That's your windshield washer fluid that pumps out of there. We got the high beams down there. Your parking brake. Here's your lights. Your pedals down there. Again, the all-weather Mustang mats. Also, that's been installed in this car that's not factory is a tilt wheel. It's an I Did It. So it's easier to get in and out of the car. All right, so let's put this down here a little bit so you can see that beautiful wheel. And then we have the gauges over here. So we got the oil pressure here. Here's your speedometer. Here's your we have showing 48,715 miles. Of course, we don't know if that's correct or not. It could have been rolled over, but it is there. And then we have the clock here, little Mustang in the center there. You got your fuel gauge there with the alternator and your temperature gauge. And then here's your fog light controls there. Let's go ahead and start the car up. So keys down here. All right, it fires right up. This car runs as good as it looks. It drives really well down the road, stops well. And you can see it just purrs nicely. Again, the dash over here, there's your vents. Here's your radio. So it has a modern radio that looks the part back in the day, but unfortunately it's not working. The last owner just put it in last year, but we can't get it to work. We do have more storage in here that folds nicely. There's your transmission control, nice console, seatbelt holders there. And I'm going to open the door here. Let me turn on the lights for you guys, as well as the fog lights. Let's give it a rev here. All right, take it on idle here, and let's give it a couple revs. All right, so it sounds great, as you can hear. Let's close that door up. I'll show you underneath on this side now. And let's show you the lights up front there. You can see all the lights working. And we'll spin the car around here. So this car has been 5-stage polished. We did a paint correction on this car, and it looks fantastic. It was a great car to start with, but we just took it to the next level. There's your tail lights there. All right, so here we have it. This is a 1968 Ford California Special Mustang. It's a hardtop with a 289 and a C4 3-speed automatic, painted in candy apple red on black. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.